Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. We are uploading bicycle square related goods regularly. In this video you will find Schwinn Cruiser Bicycles Huron Adult Beach Cruiser Bike. This will assist you to purchase decision certainly. More details are given below for your kind information. Technical details: item package dimensions LXWXH 55 by 28.5 by 8.5 inches. Package weight 24.49 kilograms. Item weight 17.96 kilograms. Brand name Schwinn. Warranty description: limited lifetime warranty. Model name Schwinn Huron Adult Beach Cruiser Bike. Color black. Material steel. Suggested users unisex adult. Number of items 1. Manufacturer Pacific Cycle Incorporated, part number S8160 as. Model year 2019. Style Huron 7-speed. Included components: Schwinn Huron men's bike, limited lifetime warranty. Size 17-inch/medium. Sport type cycling, outdoor lifestyle,